Well, hello there. Welcome to my country kitchen where everything is everywhere. Because right now I am in the midst of doing a fall makeover, cleanup, editing, organizing, and I am trying to edit. So I am trying to group like things. This is gonna be my appliance garage. This is where all my appliances are staying. And then over here is where I will have some pots and pans. And so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to put like things together. I'm taking some things out because sometimes we bring things into the home and we don't take anything out. So over time it builds up and it gets too much. So there's a time when you just gotta edit. This is my tea cabinet here. I haven't done much in here yet. I've just taken out some stuff. Here is where I house some jars and some Pyrex. Haven't done much in here yet. Here I actually went through, and so I had some tin stuff in there. I decided to take them out, and so now I have all my spices here. You can see my cinnamon and stuff up there. And then for the smaller ones, what I do is I put them in baskets so that when I want to get something, I can just take the basket down, and it also helps to keep the cabinet cleaner. Now, over here is where I have my herbs and spices for my cooking. That's for baking over there. This is for cooking, but I won't open it because I haven't done anything in there yet. Now, over here in this corner, I have taken everything down off my pot rack because my pot rack needs some attention. So my husband's gonna help me with that one because it needs to be shored up in the ceiling. A couple of the screws seem to be coming loose on me there. So yeah, my husband's gonna help me with that one. And I have gone through this cabinet here. I have sorted through my grains and I have my oils. Now this I put on the shelf because I find that the oils tend to get the shelf very messy. So when it gets to that point, I can just rip this off and put a new one on, because yesterday I had to really use some elbow grease to get some sticky stuff off. So yeah, there's nothing on that shelf yet, but down here I'll keep like my produce. And then yeah, this is my fridge here. Past my fridge coming over here. Yeah, I have some box stuff up there. This is where I relocated all of my tin stuff. I love me some sardines, as you can see. Brunswick sardine, good. Like the ones with the pepper. And if they don't have pepper, I'll add the pepper to it. But yeah, they were on sale recently. They're pretty good with some good old Jamaican dumplings, or some, whether it's boiled or fried, or some crackers. Yeah, that space is supposed to be taking some almond and soy and juice. Like we got to get to Costco very soon because we're very low, as you can see right there. Down here some snacks and stuff. Down here all my, like my flour and rice and stuff. I get them from here and then I put them in jars, right? So that's just basically storage. I had them in the room across there under the stairs, but I want to store some different items over there, so I have now moved them into the kitchen. But my highlight in this kitchen that started all of this is this space over here. Let's take you over where I am cleaning the shelves in the cabinet, I want to show you what I used to get rid of all these scuff marks. See all the scuff marks there on the shelf? Easy peasy. Didn't know it would be so easy, but yeah, I got rid of them just by using this. It's a bit awkward with the camera here and all the shadows that's been cast, but I'll try to do my best. So here we go. I just put this on, and then I just use a damp piece of cloth and wipe. Do you see that? How easily it's coming off? This is the same thing that I use to clean all the oil residue that was on the shelf where I keep all my oils. You don't need any covering pad or anything like that. Just a piece of cloth. I'm using an old tea towel. That's it, and it's all clean. Do you want to guess what I just used? Good old Vim. Now, I don't use a lot of cleaners like these around the home, but there are times when I just need to use them, so I keep them handy. This has saved me a lot of elbow grease. So now all I'm gonna do is rinse this cloth out and wipe a couple times, and we're done. Now, talking about using chemicals, so I had a little issue earlier today. My sink was clogged, and I have a Drano liquid that is supposed to be able to clean blockages. And put it in, did what it says, waited, pour boiling water down the drain, and it didn't work. But guess what worked, my friends? I just poured some baking soda over the drain and poured some white cane vinegar, and voila, it started bubbling. I ran the clear water, warm water, less than 10 minutes. It was all clear. That's it for this shelf. I'm gonna show you what it looked like before. Yeah, so I needed more storage, better storage, and counter space in that corner of the kitchen. And so I got myself a cabinet of Facebook Marketplace. My husband cut it for me, and I refinished it and installed it in the area. It's not quite done because I will be making doors for it, and so, yeah, I'll let you guys see it when I'm done, but I am liking the look now from what it was before. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.